Very good morning everyone. My today's topic is past participle which is for class 7. Now let us define past participles. Participles ending in ed, en, d and t describe completed actions or called past participles. Let us discuss the first example. I saw a dead snake. The sentence is in simple past. The word dead is acting as the adjective because it is telling the quality of the snake. The word dead snake means the snake was already dead in the past. In Hindi, dead means मरा हुआ, मतलब मरा हुआ snake. Next example is she tried to fix the broken toy. Broken is the verb third form, hence it is past participle form. The word broken is modifying the noun toy. Broken toy का मतलब हो गया टूटा हुआ खिलौना. This sentence also has two verbs. The first verb is verb second form and next one is verb third form which is acting as the past participle. So children, don't get confused between these words. And the word broken is acting as an adjective. Third example is I have found my lost purse. In this sentence, the word lost is in the verb third form and it is the past participle. The word lost is acting as an adjective because it is modifying or telling the quality of the purse. In this sentence also, verb third form has been used with the helping verb have, and lost is the verb third form used as a past participle. Lost पर्स मीन्स खोया हुआ पर्स, मतलब मैं अपना खोया हुआ पर्स पा गया हूँ. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, द wounded soldier was sent to the hospital. The word wounded is in the verb third form, hence it is the past participle acting as an adjective as it is modifying the noun soldier. The wounded soldier means घायल सिपाही. In this sentence, was is the helping verb and it is used with the verb third form sent. Let us see the fifth example. There is a frozen chicken in the refrigerator. The word frozen is in the verb third form and it is past participle acting as an adjective because it is modifying the noun chicken. फ्रोजन चिकन का मतलब हो गया जमाया हुआ चिकन. नेक्स्ट वन, डिसीव्ड बाय हिज फ्रेंड्स ही लॉस्ट ऑल होप. द वर्ड डिसीव्ड इज इन द वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म एंड इट इज़ द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल एक्टिंग एज एन एडजेक्टिव. डिसीव्ड मीन्स धोखा खाया हुआ एंड लॉस्ट इज द वर्ब सेकंड फॉर्म. डिसीव्ड इज द वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म and it is the past participle and this sentence is simple past. Let us see the seventh example. Books read in childhood seem like old friends. In this sentence also the word read is the verb third form and it is the past participle modifying the noun books because it is acting as an adjective. The verb read is the irregular verb because all the three forms are same in the irregular verbs. Books read मतलब पढ़े हुए किताबें. Let us see the next example. All the books were written by him. The word written is in the third form and it is not the past participle because the sentence is in the passive form. and this sentence does not have more than one verbs. The verb written is used with the helping verb were. Therefore, it is not the past participle. Next example, the car was driven by Max. Driven is the verb third form, but it is not the past participle because this verb is used with the helping verb was. This sentence is also in passive form because there is only one verb used in this sentence. I give you some homework in which you have to pick out the participle in each of the following sentences and name its kinds.